Small and medium enterprises or SMEs play an important role in the economy by contributing to job creation and economic growth. However, due to limited resources, many SMEs face difficulties in managing their business and maintaining long-term growth. Even though they offer good products at competitive prices, many SMEs still fail. Studies show that internal organizational problems are a major cause of these failures. Therefore, understanding these internal issues is important to help SMEs survive and grow. SMEs face several internal problems that affect their sustainability. Some of the common issues include a lack of accounting knowledge, poor recording keeping, limited use of ICT, and limited financial resources. These weaknesses can reduce business performance and increase the risk of failure. Therefore, addressing this internal problem is important to ensure long-term survivals of SMEs.
That is the main issue. The first issue is lack of accounting knowledge. Discover that not many SME in Malaysia are adopting financial management tools in their organisation activities. Lack of accounting knowledge may bring impact to the financial viability of SME since the manager and directors have got low level of financial awareness and understanding of the accounting information. It occurs when most of the managers do not have sufficient accounting knowledge and often pass the accounting function to the other department. As a result, the SME are having a shortage of accounting skill and lack of infrastructure in order to implement accounting standard and regulation. In order to prevent this is by hiring appropriate and qualified staff may help in preparing proper accounting records and practicing prudent financial management to ensure the sustainability and growing of SME.
Next is lack of proper record keeping. One of the reasons behind the fact that SME do not properly keep their accounting record is that there is no statutory requirement for the SME financial information to be publicly disclosed. It occurs when owner or managers do not keep accurate financial records, fail to budget effectively, mismanage cash flow, or lack knowledge of basic accounting and financial analysis. As a result, the business may face problems such as cash shortage, late payment to supplier, inability to control costs, poor investment decision, and difficulty obtaining financing, which can ultimately threaten the survival and growth of the business.
The third main issue is lack of ICT usage. A lack of ICT literacy and skill among the senior manager of the SME are also one of the major obstacles that slow down the migration of computerized system. There are 5 major obstacles facing the small business in embarking on the computerized system. The first one is system is too complicated to understand. Second one is lack of accounting knowledge. Next, overly expensive for one, the system does not meet their needs. And lastly, the respondent often see ICT as difficult to be implemented and choose to use the manual system instead. Consequently, it leads to a slow and low level of ICT adoption. SME have a responsibility to adopt appropriate technology to improve efficiency, data accuracy, and service quality. Using ICT support long-term sustainability by improving productivity, reducing paperwork, and better data management and reporting accuracy.
Next is limited financial resources. SME often have insufficient funds, particularly in developing and marketing their products. Given the status of a business environment where the competition is intense, SME need adequate financial resources to survive. The financial weakness faced by the SME in Malaysia are targetedly due to a lack of capital, incomplete accounting record, poor financial performance, difficulties in getting financial support, such as loans, and high operational costs, and also poor collection of debt. Limited access to finance negatively affect business by causing cash flow shortage that disrupt daily operation and limit their ability to expand or invest in new opportunity. This flaw impacts the going concern of the SME and exposes them to a high risk of business failure. The first part of recommendation is hiring qualified accountant. In ensuring that the organizational process can be executed without much hassle, skilled and highly competent staff are very much needed. The manager need to hire skilled and capable employees in various aspects, especially in the accounting background. Hiring qualified accountant may contribute to solve the problem in the lack of accounting knowledge, as they have the required expertise and have the capability to execute the accounting work. This in turn may provide important input that can be useful for managers in improving the operation, increase the efficiency of the organization, and providing support for ICT adoption. ICT brings considerable benefits such as time-saving opportunity, reduced salaries, expenses, increased quality of products, and develop innovative products. In relation to the accounting environment, the SME may employ appropriate accounting software not only to reduce the work to be done and minimize the mistake, but also to serve as a systematic mechanism for maintaining proper accounting records. By employing the ICT, the operational efficiency can be improved since the ICT is able to synchronize the data between suppliers and customer, and thus information needed can be made available online at all times.
One of the recommendations is to heighten the awareness of the accounting function among SMEs. Effective accounting practices help SMEs measure their financial performance accurately, manage cash flow, control costs, meet financial obligations. In addition, reliable accounting information supports better planning, improves financial management, and increases the credibility of SMEs when applying of external finance. In conclusion, this study has highlighted 4 main problems that can prevent SMEs from staying competitive. Despite these challenges, SMEs continue to play an important role in the country's economic growth, so their survival is crucial. To overcome these issues, SMEs need to gain the right knowledge, adopt new technologies, and improve their internal practices. Support from government and financial institutions is also vital. By following these recommendations, SMEs can improve their operations, remain sustainable, and achieve long-term success.